Okay, and now this little light green color under the the downside of the leaves. Okay, just like this. And this here. Okay, and now the entire flower is, the flower stick is blue color flower stick. Okay, some sort of little light blue color on here. It's kind of same, the blue and light blue, sky blue or whatever it is. Some red things appear from the flower. I don't know what is it. It's an alien flower. I hope so. I don't know. Okay, and now let's get started with this orange color flower, just like this. Okay, the second flower, I think it's a tulip flower. What do you say, guys? I hope so, and I'm not sure. It could be tulip flower. It's just my personal opinion, and I don't know what kind of flower is this, but I'm guessing that it is. Okay, and now okay, so now it's done. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.